Introducing the Piscifun Torrent 7.1:1 gear ratio. The Torrent features a durable and comfortable thumb bar. The adjustable magnetic braking system is great for making on-the-fly adjustments while on the water. The premium 3-layer carbon drag offers 18 pounds of stopping power. The Audible micro adjust tension knob is great for those fine adjustments. The Torrent offers an extended aluminum handle as well as a perfect 7.1:1 gear ratio. 5+1 shielded bearings make the Torrent ultra smooth and easy to retrieve. The Piscifun Torrent is smooth, accurate, and powerful, ready to help you catch your next giant.